You have already dialed in for brand new Terra at Home by Temp-tations. These are the 9x13 bakers in the scallop design, in the ombre treatment, with that beautiful deep dish lidded. Tara Tesher brings us something very special. Hi, friend.
Great to be here.
This
Thank you.
is extraordinary. We have been waiting for a new spin on the 9x13.
Yes.
And you've delivered.
We have, and I have to tell you, with Terra at Home, what I love the most about it, David, is it's that great stoneware you've been collecting from us for over 18 years, but we use glass glazes. We have different sculptural details that we add to it. So we're able to get that color variation that you see right here in the ombre. But as David mentioned, still great forecourt capacity, but look at all the detail. Look at that teardrop design right there that runs around the edges. The helper handles here, that nice deep depth that you have. And then, of course, Terra at Home, we include your Unlimit lid. This is your cookie sheet, it's your cutting board, it's your serving platter, it's the lid for on top. It's just gonna sit on top. It's not a seal, it sits on top. Or it's the trivet for underneath, David. And if that wasn't perfect, we also included your snap-on storage cover, so you literally can prep, cook, serve, and store in our most popular, most requested baking size.
Now, it's important to know that gray is already most popular out of all of our color choices. I'm a little in love with this blue for obvious reasons. Looks a whole lot like Carolina blue. That's our second most popular color. Beneath that is purple. Most limited is the purple. Here's your green. And if you saw my social media yesterday, you saw that I had a red sample that I was showing you. Here, again, is that ombre treatment. Dark down below, kind of a deep crimson red.
Yes.
And then more into a fire engine red as you make your way up. Also, the lidded is also done in that same ombre treatment as well. This is $28.41. What?
I know.
Yeah, 6 easy payments because everything's on 6-pay, Tara.
Yeah.
So we're awfully excited about that. 500 of these are gone.
Thank
you should
you.
also know that Tara has some companion items.
Oh, great.
And the only reason I'm going to mention these now is because everything is on 6-pay on air and online until 3:59 p.m. today.
Love that.
So if you wanted a set of 4 matching ombre ramekins,
with the deep dish lidded,
we've got it. If you want these beautiful serving bowls, low-profile serving bowls, those are also available. Check them out on QVC.com. Just search Temp-tations and you'll see them.
Yes, or Terra at Home, I
Or
think.
Terra at Home,
yes.
and you'll see them.
Yes.
Now, and here they are. Here are the mixing bowls.
There you go. And that's a 3-quart and a 4-quart that you see there. So nice, generous sizing there, and the perfect, you know, when we bring in a new collection, we want to give you all of the choices. All right, so let's talk about some of the things we did. I love the fact that you can do cold things as well as hot things. So we did a beautiful shrimp cocktail. We layered in one of our ramekins, and we filled it with, of course, some cocktail sauce. But here's the beauty. The fact that you can put ice underneath here, David, especially as we start to come into spring and summertime. Terra at Home is also a great conductor of cold as well as it is of hot. So I love that idea, but let's go over to the oven because here's what's really unique. Not only do you have this overall color saturation, which makes your food pop, makes everything just prettier, you have the ability to do that double duty cooking. So I don't think this rack pulls out. All right, so thank you. So you can take your 4-quart baker right out, and because you have that Unlimit lid with unlimited possibilities, you roast your asparagus on top of here, David. Look how beautiful that is. And then underneath we did a beautiful, you want to give it a stir? A beautiful mushroom and Swiss mac and cheese.
Oh, wow.
Look at that with the breadcrumbs that you see right there.
Everything is pulling away from the sides, which lets you know that there's no sticking. Now, this obviously needs to bake just a little longer. But I'll tell you, that's what's amazing about this. Even with that gooey, ooey, sticky cheese. That's right. There's no worry in there. How many are gone now, Sean? Over 900 are now spoken for. $28.41 buys you the 13x9 ombre baker, the Unlimit lid, that deep dish lidded, and also the plastic storage cover in your choice of colors. Take a look at colors here. Now, this is something brand new. I don't believe outside. I don't think you've ever done bakers in ombre, have you?
No, we have not.
This is the first time.
It's an exclusive launch here.
So here's your gray, brand new, and by far most popular. 3,200 left here. Here's your blue, second most popular. Here's your purple.
How beautiful.
2,800 remain here. Here's green. And then finally red. Red is very, very popular, as you might imagine. Now over, I'm sorry? Over 1,000 gone now total. You will get the plastic storage cover, and right out of the oven,
yes,
pop that right
to the
on.
table. Look what we did over here, David. I love this. Decorating for maybe a spring table, an Easter table. We popped in that beautiful purple. Look how stunning this is. This recipe is actually online on QVC.com, but we did a beautiful crumb cake. And what I love about it, naturally non-stick, so no butters, no oils, no extra added fats. We literally just mixed it in here. We put it right in the oven, and then look what we did there. If we're having a little brunch, we did stuffed French toast.
If you're doing an Easter table, you could also use that lighter blue.
Yes,
here, which
gorgeous.
Is beautiful. Green would be very pretty here. For
all the
springtime.
colors. All the colors,
yeah,
to be
I
honest.
think it could really work very nicely. So don't miss out on this. This is our item of the month at QVC, so I know a lot of you are excited to see something brand spanking new from Tara at Home. For folks who are unfamiliar with Tara at Home,
sure.
A part of Temptations.
It absolutely is. What you'll see about it is it's a different technique. So lots of glass glazes that bring these pieces to life. The ability to be able to get that ombre that you see there. And again, a lot of different looks, a lot of different shapes, a lot of different textures that you're going to see. And again, it's really for more when you want your food to pop, when you really want to add some saturations of color. That's what Tara at Home is all about. Now, I love this piece.
1,300 sets are gone. If you want the gray, I have only 3,100 remaining. By far the most popular, and for all of you who have stainless steel appliances, really perfect for that.
Yes.
We very seldom see Tara do this shade of blue. I'm a little in love with it for obvious reasons. It's Carolina blue, but this is also cool because it's got that great ombre effect down below. So the deeper blue giving way to the lighter blue. I have 3,600 left in this color. Next to that is purple, then the green, and then finally the red. 1,500 sets are gone now. Everything on air and online is 6-pay until $3.59. Any card you use, Tara. So that means if you want to pick up those low-profile serving bowls or the set of 4 ramekins in the same matching color and the ombre treatment, you can get 6-pay on all that as well.
I love that. And I wanted to just show you, because I think we lose the ombre a little bit, but there you can see when we're looking at the individual colors, that dark saturation of color there, and then lightening up to that hue. Beautiful stoneware, the treatment around the edges, that beautiful, what we call our Bella shape, which has that teardrop design. Look at how beautiful that purple is. We were just looking at that on the table there. Absolutely stunning. If you're wondering if these colors are going to match back to some of the pieces you've been collecting in Temptations, absolutely. As you know, we always talk about a family of colors. So you love eggplant, this is going to work. You have floral lace or old world green, that's going to work. Red, your blues, all of the same color palette. And if you've picked up our old world in floral lace, our gray in an old world in floral lace, you will absolutely love that this coordinates back.
1,700 of these are gone. We do want to remind you, this is a 9x13 baker. It is 4-quart capacity.
Yes, it is.
So it's going to hold all the great things that you use a 9x13 for. It's just going to look a whole lot better. And you're going to love all the great ombre treatment with that darker giving way to the lighter color. And this deal is screaming good.
It's amazing.
Don't miss out on this opportunity. Tara, congratulations on this new line.
Thank you so much. I was glad I got to share it with you first.
So excited to see this.